So this is Coder from Crafter and Coder. So today we're going to make a first video. So in the first video we are gonna make the solution for the responsive web design project, that the first one of that project's list, that is the build a tribute page. So in this will be this is the first part of the completion of this project. So in this video we'll be discussing the HTML part, and in the coming one we'll be discussing the CSS part. So HTML part till 7th one will be done. So in the end we'll be building something as this, which completes all the tests of FreeCodeCamp, and so we'll be showing you each and everything how to do, and I'll try to explain each and everything, but then I expect you to have the basic knowledge to continue. So here we have created a new pen. The pen's name is this one, tribute to Pele, and brackets YouTube tutorial. So the first challenger, the challenges, or the user story, we'll call it challenges because it sounds more challenging. So the first challenge is putting everything of all the elements in the thing in one div, or one element inside one element. So div, then id just gives it a separate name. id is equal to main. That should be in quotations, main, and then let's just close this down. Then we'll be adding the title. By the way, title here does not mean the title bar is the title which you add in the head. It means the title of the page. Just clarifying. So we can use h1, and again id is equal to title, and let's just close this and then again close this HTML, means close h1 and then close. Okay, now the second challenge is creating a div block with id is equal id is equal to image, in quotations, image dash div, in quotation, and close it, and again go down and just close this. Then in this first thing which we have to add is the image sources from where you're getting the image, the link to the image. After you search for Pele in Google, the images, I like this one, you can choose literally anything. Just hold it, open image in new tab, and when this comes, just copy this and go to tribute to Pele and paste. Okay, then end it with a quote, and then you will even have to add an id that says image, that is according to the requirement. Okay, image, and then end it, and the code should end, and then close the image. Then you have to add a caption. You can do anything. Wait, sorry, I forgot source is equal to, the image came up. Now you have to add a caption for it. So caption is anything that just tells us what the image is doing or what the So we can simply just write with edge 4 or 3 just to make it a bit bigger. Pele holding draw holding a trophy. One second, come on. Trophy, yeah, done. Just end this. Yeah, we just forgot to give this ID. Yeah. ID is equal to, then again go for quotations, image dash caption, then close the quotation, then close this and just add a P. And then after this the work of this diff is done. And then after this you have to create a new div that still is in the main div. So this div will have the ID is equal to tribute dash info, tribute dash info, and then div tribute ID is equal to tribute dash info, and in this div we'll be adding all the information. So it's kind of tricky, not exactly very tricky part, but yeah, I'll just show you what to do. After you search for Pele, go back on the pic and go for his Wikipedia, not his Wikipedia, meaning like the Wikipedia page. Just copy the first paragraph. If you actually see in the sample of what the FreeCodeCamp has provided us, in that it shows that the only part, or what you call, they have added a list of info about the timeline. If you want to do and make a list, that's your choice, but it requires a lot of work and everything, and it takes a lot of time. So instead of that, this is a short, and then just close this P, and then wherever you see a full stop, just add 2 BRs. One side. This divides it into different lines, giving you like different points kind of look to the page. And then so wherever you see a full stop, just after the full stop you have to add this, so that it breaks into like perfect lines. See, you can stop here, but I would say they make one more paragraph thing and add do the same thing, like copy the second paragraph and after that's done, the last step of today's thing is you have to add a link. So link, the link's href will be equal to 1 second, sorry, href is equal to, and then in quotation just link it to the Wikipedia. Copy this and then go back. And then id is equal to, then okay, so after then our id for this will be this one, what you call tribute dash link, and then closing this we just have to add target will be equal to, then double quotations, yeah, this thing is to add an underscore and then blank. Okay, then just close it, and then so just let's close the link. Okay, wait, we forgot to do something here, just right here, and this is something I like to do very often. Just add an h4 and it does not need any id, it's not there to do, but this is something extra and it gives a good look. So we can just write to know more, wait, no, to know more about, wait, know more about पहले click, then click here and close the h4 right after the link. Okay, and then that's done. Okay, so this is the thing we have done for today. So don't this is all for today, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. That's how you can support us. If this has helped you in any way, then also the other thing is this website, you can directly like click here or something to know more, or anything. You can write the entire line can be a link, or only the word can be a link, and then the next one we'll be working on designing it. So yeah, we'll be starting a Discord server soon, so you can ask questions and everything there. So mostly I won't be linking it in this video, and in the coming video that is gonna come very soon. So yeah, until then, any question, any query, you can just comment it and I'll respond as soon as possible. So again, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, because that's how you can support us if we have helped you. Thank you and bye.